Hi to all. So now we are going to continue with exercise 1.2. There is one more question here. So this is exercise 1.2 question number 4. Starting from -1 into 5. They are telling write various products. So they are asking for various steps showing some pattern to show that -1 into -1 is equal to 1. So they are telling that you start from -1 into 5 and then find a pattern to prove that -1 into -1 is 1. So first of all, what is -1 into 5? It is -5. Now what you do is, see the difference is, here we are having the same number, -1, and then you are having 5 here, and here you are having -1. So let us decrease the number step by step and see what is happening. So -1 into 4, it will be -4. Now -1 into 3, I am just decreasing the number one by one. So it is -3. -1 into 2, it will be -2. -1 into 1, that will be -1. -1 into 0 will be 0. Then we come to the step they are asking, -1 into -1 is equal to what? So let us see whether there is any pattern in which we got the answers. So first was -5. Now in the next step we got -4. So how will we get -4? If I do -5 plus 1, the answer is -4. Hope you can understand that. See, it is like this. So this 1 has a plus sign. So signs are opposite, we have to subtract it. 5 minus 1 is 4 and 5 is the bigger number here. It has a minus sign, so this is -4. Similarly, -3 will be -4 plus 1. So what do you see here? You see that the answer in the previous step, when it is added by 1, that is the answer in the present step. So -2 is -3 plus 1. -1 is -2 plus 1. 0 is -1 plus 1. Now we have come to the step. So here how can we get the answer? 0 plus 1, that will be the answer. It is 1. So by a pattern we found out -1 into -1 is 1. We cannot write it directly because they told showing some pattern, write various products. So you have to follow this method only. Just if you write -1 into -1 is 1, you will not get the marks. So follow all these steps, find a pattern and then find out, with that pattern find out what is -1 into -1. It is +1. Next we are going to exercise 1.2 is over. Next we are going to division of integers. So in division of integers, see it is same, the signs rule is same like multiplication. So minus, you have to by add this. Minus divided by minus will give you plus. Minus into minus is also plus. Minus divided by plus is minus. Minus divided by, plus divided by minus is minus. And then plus divided by plus is plus. So you see that the rule is same as we had in multiplication. Now in division, let us look at some properties. In that closure property is not satisfied under division for integers. So integers are not closed under division. We can see it with an example. See, for example, if I divide -4 and -8, both are integers. So when I divide, what do I get? 4 divided by 8 is, you can just cut down, that's all, half. And minus divided by minus is plus. So this half is not an integer. I told you integers means it will be like -3, -2, -1, and it can go on like this, 0, then positive numbers. So you don't get fractions here. So integers are not closed under division. Then what about the commutative property? Actually, division is not commutative for integers. So division is not commutative. Then what else should you know? See, dividing by 0 is meaningless. Suppose I do 5 divided by 0. This is just meaningless. We can never divide by 0. You can write the answer as, suppose if they give you any problem like this, what is 5 divided by 0? You can just answer not defined. So in general I can tell that a stands for any integer. So a divided by 0 is not defined. We can never find out that. Then when we divide any integer with 1, the answer will be the same number. Like in multiplication, a into 1 is a. A divided by 1 is also a. So what will be the answer for 13 divided by -1? It will be 13 divided by 1 is going to be the same number 13. And then you look out for the signs. So plus divided by minus will give you minus. Similarly, look at this, -48 divided by -1. So when we divide by 1, the result will be the same number. Then you look for the signs. Minus divided by minus is plus. And then division is not associative for integers. So it does not satisfy closure property. It does not satisfy commutative property. It is also not associative for integers. So division is not associative for integers. So we will do only this much today. In the next class, we will be doing example 2 and example 3 in the next class. Please practice maths for at least 2 hours a day. You can get marks easily in maths, which will in turn increase your percentage. Bye for now.